Get ready for fun, laughter, and celebration, because we're learning all about the Khmer New Year in Cambodia. The Khmer New Year, also called Chol Chhoung Leak, is celebrated every April and lasts for 3 days. It's a time for family good luck and lots of fun. But did you know that Khmer New Year isn't just about temple visits and tasty food? It's also filled with traditional games and playful activities that bring everyone, kids and grown-ups, together. Let's check them out. 1. Bo Sangkun. This game uses angkun seeds, which look like big round beans. 2 teams take turns trying to hit the other team's seeds on the ground. It's a bit like marbles, but with a twist. It's all about skill, focus, and a little bit of luck. 2. Leak Kanseng. In this game, everyone sits in a circle while one person walks around holding a kanseng, a rolled-up scarf. They secretly drop it behind someone. And if you feel it behind you, get ready to run. You have to chase the dropper before they take your spot. It's fast, fun, and full of laughter. 3. Chol Chhoung, usually played at night. This game involves 2 teams who throw a scarf, called a chhoung, back and forth while singing and dancing. If your team drops the scarf, the other team gets to dance in celebration. It's a mix of game and performance. 4. Water splashing and sand mounds. On the last day of the new year, people splash water on each other, not just for fun, but to wash away bad luck and welcome good fortune. And in temples, people build small sand mounds decorated with flowers and flags, symbolizing peace and happiness. All these games aren't just for fun, they also teach sharing, teamwork, and tradition. That's what makes Khmer New Year so special. So, whether you're playing games, eating delicious food, or getting splashed with water, Khmer New Year is a time of joy, culture, and community. Happy Khmer New Year, Sours Day, Shnam Thmei. Thanks for watching. See you next video.